Okay, it's time for the long-awaited house tour. If I can shut my door. Beautiful. Okay, we start by taking off the shoes. Done. Easy. Step one complete. This is what we start with here, the corridor. We got, I forget what these are called actually. Tatami room doors maybe. Wish I could zoom out a bit, but I can't. We'll start with this side. We got ourselves the living room here. All tatami mat. Pretty cool. If I had a TV, it would go right here, but I do not. All these sliding doors can be opened, which is cool for the window and the door here with some screens so we can keep the bugs out. Got myself a nice spot to sit. This is actually one of those heating, I forgot the name already, but basically in the winter time it's got like a heater on it on the bottom, which you can use with a blanket. You cover it with a blanket and it'll keep you warm. Currently I've been taking down notes of fun stuff to do. So this pad here actually goes with this chair. You can use it as like a backrest if you need to. Someone left a Christmas tree for me here, so I'll make sure to use that when the time is right. There's also an AC, but I haven't used it yet because I don't want to, crank up that utility bill. Okay, here in the kitchen, we got some shelving, got the fridge, a bunch more shelving, some trash cans. There's actually 7 different types of trash. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 different types, and you have to separate all your trash, everything. So in here, this is the plastic waste. So the bottom one here, called pura, maybe for plastic. I don't know. This one here is the bottles, so like plastic bottles. This one is what, non-burnables, so this one here. But if you can, you separate your bottles by color. I only got one so far. I think this was like a vitamin C drink. And those they actually have the days here to make it easy, because otherwise I would have no idea when they're coming. So yeah, that is... That's a little bit annoying, but something you get used to, I suppose. We got the gas stove, the sink. This is how I get hot water, actually. You push this button and it gives you hot water for the sink, because this is just cold. The water that comes from here is natural spring water. So they don't even purify it. It's just already clean because it comes from the spring. Got my rice cooker. Just used it for the first time yesterday. Works pretty well. Got the other trash. This is like food waste. This is more plastic waste, but I got no space, so I gotta figure out where to put that. More shelves. Comes in handy, I suppose, when I actually have a lot of stuff to put in here. We got the bathroom. Actually this is just the shower. So I got the washing machine, no dryer, but you just hang stuff outside. All my stuff I need for the bathroom. And then this is where it gets interesting here. They separate the bathtub and the shower. So what you do is you shower. Here's my socks. You shower first, and then if you want to use bath water, you can like save it. So you take a shower, you get clean, and then you hop in the tub, and you can use the water like a couple times because the water won't be dirty since you've just showered. So yesterday I showered, and then I put in some water in the tub And you can just chill in there for a bit, I suppose. You got all your shelves and whatnot in here. But yeah, it's really interesting. So the whole floor is just like, it just drains into that little box area. Never have seen something like that before. Let's see. That's everything in here. This is the actual toilet. Pretty small room. But when you flush, it gives you water here as well. So I guess you kind of have two sinks. And it's got all the special stuff here. So it's got like the bidet stuff. Kind of crazy. And I don't know what any of those are, but yeah, there's a lot of options. But they still have toilet paper too, so you can avoid the crazy bidetness if you want. And I guess I was supposed to be wearing these slippers in there. That's kind of what you do. You wear slippers in the bathroom and then you take them off so you don't bring any bacteria with you. So this is like, I don't even know what I would call this, like an office, maybe? So I have my chair with my tortilla blanket and my cat. Cat in the hat. Yo, let's turn on the light in here. If it'll work. Oh, there we go. So I put a bunch of stuff over here. A lot of this was left over actually. All this stuff in the back was left in the light. But I've got the laptop, some cards, got some CDs, photos, some shelving. This fan's been a lifesaver. Works pretty well. I've been building this week. Little marble run thing. This is all I've got so far. But it works pretty well. These marbles go down here and then they get stuck, and the one gets stuck there. And then when one goes down the bottom, it unlodges these. Got some snacks. Yeah, it's been so hot this week. I've been spending a lot of time indoors just working on it. Also, I have to duck over every door. Otherwise, I hit it. So, just a little bit of a duck. Got my laundry. This bed's great. It's got a mattress and like a futon pad on it. So, this is the mattress here, and then you put this little padding. I'm pretty sure if someone stays over, I can just take off the futon pad and let them use it too. Got my drawers, hooks for the suit, plenty of storage space. Like, so many doors for it in this room and the next room. These doors are great. I'll close these and turn on the AC. So that way in the other room, in the bedroom, at night, it won't use too much power. That way it can keep all the cold air in one room. Let's see what else. I got this laundry drying thing for stuff that's too small for like a hanger. And then just like a whole pole to hang stuff on. Most of these windows come with this screen, which is great. We got storage room. At least that's what I'm using it for. I kind of hang my clothes in here when it's still sunny out. That way they can dry quickly, and then I'll bring them in after that. Put my suitcases down there too. More storage over here. Got a vacuum cleaner and a ton of heaters. Some of them probably don't work. The cicadas are really loud here too, so at nighttime you'll always be hearing them. Actually, this room connects too back to the other room. So, oh, I can't open this door. Oops. I'll have to go over to the other side. The doors only have handles on one side, so if you move the wrong one, it won't move back. But yeah, that's the house. Thankfully, I have lights in every room because when all these doors are shut and it's nighttime, you can't see a thing. So they come in handy. They come with 3 settings. You got the super bright one. I already turned it down, I think, once. Oh, no, I did. Then you have this setting, which is really interesting. It's just a single bulb. Doesn't really do that much, but it does help. And that's the house. I can show the outside real quick. Just this patio part here. So I have like a small patio. I'm thinking about getting some chairs to put out there, maybe like a hammock. And then these bars here are for more drying clothes, I think. So if it's nice out, I'll do that. It's supposed to rain today, so I will not be using that this time. But yeah, that's the tour of the house. Oh, time to relax.